Now we are discussing about a small business. In that today we are discussing about manufacturing fabrication plant. Metal fabrication is a creation of metal structures by cutting, bending, welding and assembling processes. It is a value added process involving the creation of machines, parts and structures from various raw materials. You need skilled manpower and a lot of machinery for this business. So manufacturing fabrication plant is also a profitable business, especially generally almost all houses will have a gate. In front gate should be something attractive and comfortable and strong, so that they should go to the fabrication unit and they will select the gate, and one person will come to your home and he will see the size and width of the gate, and he will make it. And not only that, around 10 years, after 10 years, the gate also will be rusted out. So they have to replace this gate also. That time also they can start a very good gate means manufacturing fabrication plant is required. So you can get contacts means by Google business also, and Google search also you can get the contacts. By that also you can contact and get the service very well. Wishing you all the best.